Hey guys, I want to show you a little bit about curling while Vivien's curling some hair here. She did a class for our staff this morning, and being a newer educator, she couldn't quite articulate all these little tips and tricks that she naturally does. And so I'm going to kind of point them out as she's curling here. When she starts curling on one side of the head, so often, guys, we would all stop in the middle and start curling the other way, right? Because we think both sides need to come together. But what do, Vivien?
I go all the way around to about the side of the head.
Yep.
And then I turn my direction.
So when she says the side of her head, right behind the side of the head, so here's the ear, mannequin's facing this way. She stops curling about right here. So just keep going. Okay. She'll keep curling this one way. You know what? I'll turn a little bit so they can see a little bit better. She'll keep curling, and she says, what does that do for the back? It makes it...
So it just, if the curls meet together and they're in the opposite direction, they just kind of go away from each other, which creates a...
Say the word.
What's it called? A part.
Well,
a part.
She's being nice. In class this morning, she goes, Brennan, you're making a butt crack.
Yeah.
And so she doesn't want to crack right down the center in the back. She wants it over on the side somewhere, but it doesn't seem to crack as much on the side for some reason. And it might have something to do with the swirl pattern or the crown. It kind of pulls it all together. So as she gets, what, is this the one, or are you going to go one more?
Let's see. I'll probably do this one and then...
Okay, let's do it. So while she's curling, I'm going to kind of mention what she's doing. Just slow it down, girl. Just slow it down. See how she's curling more of an up direction? She doesn't get it really close to the head because the style is a little less curl by the roots these days. We got a little bit of a less curl here and then more in the middle. And then right at the end, look, she starts untwisting it off to get more curl there and pulls it straight off to give that little bit of an icicle look at the end. Very popular. It wasn't popular when I was a young stylist. We got some strings in the mannequin, I see. Yeah, just go with it. It's a synthetic hair. So see, she just switched directions. She's kind of going up and the other way now. Curl in the middle section, leaving the root out a little bit, leaving the ends out a little bit. And then what do you do with the ends?
So I unravel, and then I just pull the end straight down.
So consistent. Try it, guys.